Thanks for clicking on this link. This is a short video that explains the methods and results of a workshop that we ran at the NEC's Health and Wellbeing at Work conference this year. So we essentially stopped people as they walked past at the exhibition, and there were 240 participants from a wide range of organisations. We asked people to consider their jobs and to think about the work-related stresses and triggers, how their organisations reacted when the issues are raised, and whether there were proactive measures in place. The design of the workshop was very simple. We just had the three different sections: triggers, reactive and proactive walls, and then people essentially put their comments up. We had over 638 comments and needed to break them down into groups. For this part of the video, we're going to look at the data collected for the triggers of work-related stress. Looked at a number of different comments raised, so we had to break them into digestible groups. So workspace, workload, and personal issues. Now, when we looked at the reactive measures, we ended up looking at some of the negative reactions, so we had presenteeism, absenteeism. There were a number of referrals. I think that was a bias because there were a number of occupational health specialists who stopped. And then what was quite interesting was that we had a great reduction in the number of comments raised. And I was moving to proactive. We started looking at training and workload again, and the design of the workspace, and any assessments or surveys that have been done to understand how the workspace and workload factors influence work. Now, improving workspace gained a lot of votes. So our interpretation of this was that people seemed to like talk about problems and like talking about solutions, but didn't like to discuss what actually happened, so how their companies reacted. Quite a number of people felt it was quite a cathartic exercise. So generally, we can identify the causes, but it's much more difficult to discuss how to actually resolve the issues. So we should put far more effort into understanding the fabric of work, the knitting together of workspace design and management of workload. Canary Design is a member of the Chartered Institute of Human Factors and Ergonomics, and there are a number of consultancies that can help with this. It's been over 8 months since the conference, and on reflecting on the results of the survey, it's clear that organisations require help with measuring how work is actually done. So we've developed a new set of online assessment tools that we'll be launching in the new year. If you follow Canary Designs on Twitter, we'll be doing a launch event on there. Okay, thank you.